Here's our day 3, this number 3 recipe for our stay home one dish meals. Okay, today I'm going to prepare a comfort dish for you guys. Okay, it's called our tofu with salted fish and chicken dices. In Cantonese it's called kalap tofu. Okay, so let's have a look at our ingredients, what we're going to have today. Okay, of course we start our dish with some aromatics. This is diced ginger, and then we also have garlic, and then this is our salted fish, dried salted fish from Penang. Thanks to Chef Audie, he brought it, he showed me where to get the best salted fish. We diced it up. And then we got some marinated chicken here. This is chicken marinated with oyster sauce. And then we have sesame oil as well, and a bit of cornstarch. Then our sauce for this dish is only one sauce. This is oyster sauce. And we need, of course, a little bit of spring onions for flavor. And then this is the silken tofu, okay, the star of the dish. And of course, a little bit of chicken broth. Okay, chicken stock for it. So here we go, we're going to start cooking. So we just basically get our wok nice and hot first, and then here comes the first bit. Okay, we set our wok nice and hot. We put in our aromatics first. Okay, so sorry, we put in our salted fish first. Just give our salted fish a nice quick cook up. Okay, once they get really nice and fragrant, then we can put our ginger and our garlic in as well. Okay, these are the aromatics. It gives the dish a nice, very good flavor. Okay. Very nice aromas coming through. And then we have our chicken. Okay, this is our chicken, marinated chicken. You just put it in, cook it up. Wow, hear that cooking. Beautiful, isn't it? Very nice. Okay, saute up the chicken, crank up the fire, and there we go. Okay, chicken is going away. We cook it, let it brown a little bit so that it gets more tasty. Okay, when you brown the meat, okay, they produce a lot of extra flavor, and later on, okay, when you cook it with a bean curd, it becomes a nice melting pot of flavors as well. So in the meantime, we're going to pick up a small little clay pot here, so that we get zero. So look at the chicken. Beautiful. So we're going to add some of our broth in. This is chicken broth, alright? Nice, very nice chicken broth. Bring it up to boil. And we have some oyster sauce for seasoning. Okay, so what we will do is that we're going to thicken up our gravy. Okay, we've got some cornstarch here. Now, why I use cornstarch is because it gives that extra gloss and shine to the dish. Okay, so that's always the preferred choice of starch for thickening. So once the sauce is thickened up, alright, you can put our tofu in. And there you go. Spring onion greens. Okay, these are the white ones that will go in first to the dish. We keep the green ones for our garnish. Beautiful. Look at that. And once, okay, don't stir it too much, otherwise you break up the tofu. We keep it nice and good. And from here, okay, with a filled up clay pot, that's where we're going to dish it up. So let's have a look. Watch that sizzle when it goes in. Beautiful. Okay, this is my favorite comfort food in a cold country, especially when I'm traveling. So here, okay, the finishing bit, you will have our spring onions on it, and the dish is done.